In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a word cloud add-on in Google Docs to create a formative assessment. Now, a word cloud, also known as a tag cloud, can be used as a formative assessment, or it could be used in a million other ways. To actually get this add-on, you just need to open up an untitled Google Doc, go to Add-ons, and then Get Add-ons. Now this will open up your add-ons menu, and what an add-on is essentially something that you add on to a Google Doc or a Google Sheet that allows you to do a little something extra. So if you have some time and you want to take a peek at some of the add-ons that are available from Google, it's kind of an interesting place to search. So we're going to search the add-ons for Word Cloud here, right in the search bar. And there it is, word cloud generator. And actually this thumbnail is an example of a word cloud. And I'm just going to add it in here. So I'm going to click allow here so that I can use my add-on. And to find that add-on, I just go back up to add-ons. And when I want to use it, I click add-ons and I scroll down and there's my word cloud generator. Now what a word cloud will do is take any text in the document and turn it into kind of a funky colored mesh of words. And I'm going to show you how to do this. An easy tool to use inside the doc is actually the Explore tool. So I'm going to go to Explore, and it's going to open up my Explore search bar on the right-hand side of my page. And I'm actually going to search and do a word cloud on formative assessments. So I searched the web, and I'm just going to capture this definition of what a formative assessment is, and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to paste it over in my Google Doc. Now I'm going to X out here of Explore, and I'm going to go up to Add-ons. And I'm going to click my word cloud generator. Now you can either use classic or new, and I'm going to choose new. You can experiment with both. New offers a little bit more in terms of stylistic features. So here's the tag cloud that it created for me. And if I don't like that, I can actually refresh. I like that one a little bit better. And what I can do is go to Advanced Options. So Advanced Options will give me a few ways to modify my word cloud. I can change the number of words in my word cloud just by typing the number in here. So let's say I want 30. And then I can pick any words that I want to remove from the word cloud. So I could remove assessment, and it would automatically remove it from the format here of the word cloud. The other option I have is what it will do is the word cloud here in Google Docs will drop any common words like and, to, the. If I don't want it to do that, I can click here and then it will add those words in based on the frequency of them. And then I can choose my palette. There are a few to choose from. Here's the default here, so anytime you don't make a choice, it will automatically default to this color palette, but I've chosen light colorful, so I'm going to click Adjust, and it's going to rework my word cloud. There we go. So you will see these blue buttons here. The first one is to refresh it if you don't like it. You can append top word counts, so if I click that, what will happen is it will add a table to my Google Doc, and it will actually pick out the top words in the text that I grabbed, and it will tell me the frequency of each of those words. And you can very easily delete that table if you need to, and I'm going to just undo that. You can also append a large image of your word cloud into the actual Google Doc. So if I click that, it will most likely create a new page, a second page, and it will add the word cloud to my doc. If I want to append a small version of it, I can as well. click append small, and it will also add that right there to my document. And finally, what I can do is if I click here, I'm able to download the word cloud in different docs that I'm working in a Google slideshow. If I wanted to use it on a website, it's going to actually save that word cloud. So as I mentioned before, the possibilities are endless with the word cloud or tag cloud options. And it can be used as a formative assessment in some way, or it can be a springboard for a class discussion. It could be done as a whole class activity. It leaves lots of room for being creative and kind of innovative with your thinking in terms of how you apply this in your classroom.